Learn about PyDatalog programming. First of all, we have an example programming here. This is a type we call CI log programming, which is picked up from AI space. So here a certain type of electrical system is defined, and there are some facts and rules about that electrical system. So to make it more understandable, this coding basically describes the electrical system showing in this diagram, where we have three switches, seven wires, two lights, and they are connected in certain ways. And we have two circuit breakers, we have power outlets, and then there's outside power that's coming from outside. So all the red things are live. So here L2 is live. So entire diagram is coded in CI log in this way. Now our task, our aim is to convert the CI log programming into PyDatalog. So after watching certain tutorials, I am able to convert this into PyDatalog. For this, first of all, we need to install PyDatalog if I have already installed it before. So it says requirement already satisfied. And then we import this. And now we are defining some terms that we are going to use in our code. Here, the terms are lit, light, okay, live, connected to, up, down, basically all the predicates that are given here in our code, in the CI log code. So I have described them here, and then now I'm going to write the facts about the diagram, the facts that are available in the code. So the facts, number one is light, L1 is a light, L2 is a light, and outside is live. If we look at the diagram, there are two lights, L1, L2, and the outside power is coming from outside, which is live, right? Next is, what is the status of the switches? So switch 2 is up, switch 3 is up, switch 1 is down. Here, switch 2 is up, switch 3 is up, switch 1 is down. Next is status of the circuit breakers and lights. So, okay, that means they are working fine, they are not blown up. Okay, L1 is okay, L2 is okay, CB1 is okay, CB2 is okay. So the circuit breakers, CB1, CB2, L1, L2, both, for all the four of them are okay, they're not blown up. Next are the connections. Here the connections are described. For instance, number one, the status of switch up to is decided if W0 and W1 are connected. Switch 2 will be down when W0 is connected to W2. So switch 2 is up in our diagram. This means W0 is connected to W1. So if switch 2 is down, then W0 will be connected to W2. So all the facts, all the rules of the switches positions are described here. And then we are given then when circuit breaker 1 is okay, when W3 and W5 are connected. So W5 is connected with W3, that means circuit breaker 1 is okay, and circuit breaker 2 is okay when W3 is connected to W5. W6 connected to W5. W6 here, sorry, W6 is connected to W5. And then there are certain rules. Number one is lit. So light L will be lit if it's a light and it is okay and it is live. Live, W will be live, a wire will be live when it is connected to W1 and the W1 is live, right? So two wires are live and one is live and the other one is connected to it. And now we're going to run our example queries. Number one, we need to ask our PyDatalog if which switches are up. So as per the diagram, plus as per our status of the switches, which switches are up, S3 and S2. Next, we run connected to. If switch 2 and switch 3 are up, then W0 is connected to what wire? If switch 2 is up and switch 3 is up, so W0 is connected to what wire? W0 is connected to W1. That's our answer for query number 2 here, W1. Now switch 3 is up, switch 2 is up. So W1 is connected to which wire? For switch 2 and switch 3 being up. Switch 3 and switch 2 being up, W1 is connected to no wire. It's connected to W0, but W0 is also connected to W1, which we already described in query number 1. W0 is connected to W1, but W1 is not further connected to any other wire. Next, connected to W3 is connected to which wire? Y. What's Y in it? So W3 is connected to P1, then CB1 and S3. Let's see, P1, W2 and W4. Here, P1, W2 and W4. W2 and W4. Yeah, W3 is connected to P1, W2 and W4. These are the wires and the power outlet. Next one is lit. Which light is lit? So if you look at the diagram, L2 is lit, and that should be our answer, which is correct. So L2 is lit. And then what things are live? If we ask the PyDatalog which things are live, here it's outside W2, W4, P2, W6, W5, P1, L2, and W3. If we look at our diagram, all these things that are mentioned that came as an output in our programming code are live. All the red things are live. Outside, CB2, CB1, S1, S2, S3, W4, 5, 6, P1, P2. So here is our answers. So yeah, so simply we need to know about the rules, about the facts, and then we can just code and query anything to our PyDatalog. Thank you.